This is our.
She's hiding in this.
This is our bird hunt.
It's hiding what?
In the water here.
Ew.
Oh.
Bird hunt 09.
Watch it run and hit your face.
Here, Christy, you gotta get Leo.
It's gonna peck your eyes.
Oh my God.
I will scream and drop your camera.
Like, Christy, he's gonna fly out at you. The other girl singing.
Oh. It's intense. Oh! It's running out! Get the dog!
I'm trying!
Where'd it go? Did you get it?
Yep.
Ah, okay. Okay. I got it.
What's that?
I don't know. Wait, get the dog. Oh, it's in a bucket. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, get the dog, Sarah.
Here.
You want to watch him?
I do.
Yeah, hold on. Hold on.
I got
Chase,
you.
stop.
Run.
Okay, hold on. Let me here. You take the camera. Okay.
Is it still recording?
Yeah, I think. Oh, don't let him go over driveway. Put him in the grass.
Did you hear it? Run away, Leo. Don't let it bird flu ya.
Aww,
Where'd it
was
go?
a baby.
Oh, no.
He looked big back in the corner.
This is what we were scared of.
Oh, what's stuck to him?
Price. Oh, shit.
Aww. Aww. Did you just not know how to fly yet?
Possibly.
Oh, oh.
Go away.
He's
Don't
a
come in my house. He is a
baby.
baby. Now I feel bad for running from him.
I know, he made us scream for nothing. We should name him.
Aww. Let's name him.
How about Leo? He's gonna be nutty.
No.
I want him to be nutty.
Leo is the bird catcher.
This is an episode of Bird Catcher. It's like the dog whisperer.
2009.
I'm putting this on
dog. Tastes like I want him.
I'm putting this on YouTube.
Yeah, it's just a little baby.
Aww.
Pulling my pants off.
That's one source of the scream.
Don't get near it.
Don't get near so if it is a baby, the mom
The mom can find it.
All right. Bird
Holy.
Catch 09 is complete.